So today we're gonna start and understand that how a material master data needs to be designed in the SAP system. So first of all, master data is a data which consists of all the micro level information about a certain entity. If we talk about material master data, of course, in detail information about a material will be a part of a material master data. If I talk about customer master data, then of course, in detail information about a customer will be known as a customer master data. So like this, there are lots and lots of material, lots of master data in the SAP system. Right now, we're going to start with the material master data. So transaction code for creation of a material master data is MM01. 01 is for creation, 02 for edit, and 03 for display. I'm going to choose and create a product which is a part of a finished product. And I'm going to choose finished product here, FERT, and mechanical engineering. Once you do this, please press enter. Select these basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org data 1, sales org data 2, sales general plan data, sales text, MRP 1. And if you scroll down, it should be accounting 1. Click on this green tick. Now it will gonna throw you a box which will ask for the prerequisite and the most important part of material master data. In this, you will have to mention the details of your plant. So mention your plant name, mention your storage location, mention the sales org which you have created as a shortcode, and distribution channel which you have created, which you have already used. So just a small thing, if you are going to start with the material master data, in that case, the previous alignments should be done correctly. If there's anything which is wrong here, system will start throwing you error. So now I'm gonna build a product, which is the brand is Fossil. So I'm gonna build a small Fossil smartwatch. It will be gray in color. I'm gonna mention basic unit of measure as a EA. My division, it is BQ. Yes, BQ. Now mention the gross weight of the product. Press enter, you will automatically move to the next tab. Nothing has to be done here. Again, press enter. Move to sales org 1. Now here mention the delivering plant, which is the delivering plant and the plant which you have created is the same thing. So please mention the same code here. Press enter. It will take you to the tax. Since we are not charging any tax as of now, so please mention 0 in all of them. And once you do that, it will take to the next tab, which is sales org 2. So here you can see the general item category is norm, and there's an item category norm here as well. So this is right. There's no changes required in case of a finished product. Now click on sales general plant. Herein you will have to mention the availability check. Now, so availability check is a functionality in SAP through which you can check that the products are available or not. So I'm going to put as a daily requirements. I'm also going to put as a transportation group what kind of ways you're going to use to transport this product. Since mine is a very small product, I'm going to use a box. You can choose as per the size of your product or the criticality of the product. Loading is like how I'm going to load this product in any of the vehicles or the trucks through which I will be transporting my product to the end customer. So for me, it's a small product, so I'm going to use a manual way of it. Press enter. Now, sales text is a functionality in which we mention a message that will be printed outside the boxing of the product. So this is a message which I'm putting it here. Now go and click on MRP1. MRP1 is a material requirement planning, which is very much required to process any kind of product. So here we are choosing ND as by default. That's a no planning since we are creating it freshly. So no planning required as of now. Then we reach to the accounting one of the very, very important part of material master data. Herein we need to mention the cost price of the product. So assuming the sales price, accordingly, I need to mention the cost price. The cost price will include all kinds of overhead cost, raw material cost, and the money required to manufacture that product. So in my case, it is a since it's a little complicated product, so I'm going to put the 5,000 rupees as the cost price. Once you press enter, it will throw you a message that do you want to save your data for this material first? Yes. So if I click on yes, you will be getting a number. So in this case, my number, which is 6094, I need to make a note of that. That's it. That is the first material master data. Now, if you want to go and check that which material I have created so far. So to do that, go on the table name SE16. This is a transaction code to access all the tables inside the SAP system. So the table for accessing the MARA for the material is MARA, that is known as a MARA. Inside that, I need to mention my product number if I have, or either I can mention my SAP user ID. So if I mention that and execute it, I will be getting the list of the products which I have created. So I can see 6094 is the product which is getting created today. So this is how we can access and see what are the products which we have created so far in the system. I hope you like this information and will be fruitful for your learning and executing in the SAP system. Thank you so much.